Hey guys, it's Cheryl, and I am so excited to bring you this behind the scenes sneak peek of our exclusive launch on QVC, our Perfectly Polished Strength and Shine Kit. It is going to be an exclusive launch on QVC starting May 13th. What you have here is our 4-piece kit that literally will give you perfect nails. So let's dive into what makes each part of the system so special. Step 1 is the Dermelect X Mani Maker Nail Polish Grip. There are a lot of reasons why people resign to the idea that they have to go out of their home or to someone else to achieve a nice manicure. Mani Maker makes at-home self-manicures a perfect reality. Mani Maker is universal and will top almost any nail polish bottle. All you have to do is find your favorite polish and top it, push it, grip it, and you're ready to paint. It will open hard to open bottles, and it also features an ergonomic grip, which makes painting comfortable and easy, whether you're a lefty or righty or have accessibility issues. Step 2 of the treatment kit is our award-winning, best-selling nail treatment, Makeover Smoothing Ridge Filler. This is your powerhouse ridge filler that works to instantly mask and camouflage imperfections in the nails while it works to infuse your nails with nail strengthening ingredients like biotin, pentavitin, protein peptides, and vitamin E. It functions as a ridge filling base coat, but it also could be a one-step manicure because the beautiful pink iridescence really sits so beautifully on the nail and is so flattering on all skin tones, you don't even need color. Glowgetter is a treatment that marries the best of skincare, nail care, and makeup all in one. It instantly goes to work to revitalize and brighten the dullest, most damaged nails. It delivers this instant rose tint to the nails that gives the look of a French manicure. It makes the pinks of your nails look pinker, the nails look glossier and shinier and more vibrant with one application. Not only is Glowgetter a strengthening nail treatment, but it actually takes a page from skincare with skincare grade ingredients like squalene, lactic acid, glycolic acid, malic acid, all working in symphony together to get you your best nails ever. You can use Glowgetter on its own to revitalize the nails, or you can actually use Makeover and Glowgetter together, layered, to customize your own nail look. Think of these as your nail concealer and your nail blush. They can totally be worn separately, but when used together, you can create a beautiful look. So with this kit, you're getting 3 different looks. You can wear the Glowgetter on its own, you can wear the Makeover on its own, or you can wear them together for healthier, beautiful, elongated nails. Step 4, our Rejuvenale Fortifying Nail and Cuticle Treatment. Rejuvenale literally reads like a skincare cream, but it is made for your nails. That's because we've taken skincare ingredients and technologies and translated them to treat any kind of hard to grow problem nails. Formulated with an ingredient story of protein peptides, pentavitin, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, green tea, and vitamins A, C, and E, this product goes to work instantly to hydrate, fortify, and restore your nails. The needle nose applicator makes it perfect for travel and easy application. And like with all Dermelect treatments, you can trust that it's cruelty-free. All the treatments that you see here feature clean beauty formulations. We have 10 plus free formulas, all geared to the same goal, to provide solutions that are safe and worry-free to use without compromising on results. Whether you're looking looking to maintain your nails or you are in desperate need of a nail rehab, what you have here is a luxurious and easy nail system that will help make beautiful nails a reality. And we could not be more excited to be launching it exclusively with our friends at QVC starting May 13th. This is a set that can only be found at QVC and will not be coming back after this run, so grab it while you can. We'll be kicking off summer with beautiful nails, and I hope you'll join me. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the Dermelect channel. Thanks for joining me today and for watching.